guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a R.E.M. beauty makeup try-on review. I spent $150 at R.E.M. Beauty online on her new products, her foundation, her concealer, four lip products, and her face mist. So I wanted to give those a go for you guys today. I also had a previous eyeshadow palette from her that I already have, so I used that in this review as well. I've been wanting to try more of the R.E.M. beauty products for a while now, so I figured since I was ordering, I might as well do a video about it. I tried to do a cute little simplified version of the Ari ponytail, so I hope it goes with the theme of the video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I also have my Instagram linked in the description box if you want to follow me on there and check out some more posts from me, since I'm more active on my Instagram than I am on my YouTube. And let's get right into this R.E.M. beauty review and try on. Alright guys, so we're going to be trying out the new R.E.M. foundation, and this is my second order I've done from her, but I ordered a lot more stuff this time than I did last time I did an order, so I'm really excited to try out all these new products. So the first thing I'm going to open is the Thing Calming Face Mist with Soothing Lavender, and I was really excited about this because I love face mists, and this one just looks really nice. Beautiful blue color, and let's give it a shot. Ooh, it smells really good. Definitely a lavender oil scent to it, but it has some other stuff in there, maybe a little bit of mint. I can't really pinpoint everything in it, but it smells really good, and it doesn't have like a fake smell at all. It's very like a natural scent. That's really nice, and it feels very cooling. I like that. That looks like a really good match for me. I might be a little light for it right now, but we'll see. So this is what the foundation looks like. Really nice packaging, very sleek. And I got the shade Light 8 and W. And I'm going to put some on the back of my hand here. Just like that. Take my beauty sponge. So I have the foundation on. It is a little bit dark for me, just like one shade a little dark. I did kind of go off of my summer color though, and I'm a little white right now since I haven't been able to go outside. So when I do have like a little bit of a tan, this will be absolutely perfect for me. It has a very dewy finish, which I love. It's very light. It doesn't really feel like I'm wearing anything on my face. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I would say it's a medium coverage. I know that it is meant to be like a buildable coverage, so I am going to put another thin layer on my cheeks right now and see how that looks. It is definitely buildable, and that is really nice finish. I'm also pretty positive that using the calming face mist beforehand made it even more dewy. So if you like dewy, definitely do that. If you don't like dewy, maybe skip the spray before, just depending on your personal preference. We're gonna open the concealer next. I got the shade 4G, and that is what the concealer looks like. The little teeny tiny spoon that comes with it, and put it on my beauty blender from there. Ooh, that is pigmented. Oh, that is nice. Right off the bat, I have had this teeny little pimple next to my ear for days, and other concealers have not been able to cover it no matter what. This, I went over it once and it covered it right up. So that tells me right there that this is a really nice coverage. It is very thin. Again, like the foundation, it's a very thin, light formula, which who doesn't like a light formula? Who wants to feel like they're wearing makeup all day? That is the foundation and concealer. So I finished my face with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. I love this powder. It actually holds up all day. Until Ariana comes out with one, this will be my go-to. I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to do these off camera just because it's really not that interesting, but I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. So I'm just going to hold my brows down with this, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of color just on the tail end of my brow. I am going to go in, I'm going to go in with my R.E.M Beauty Baby Doll eyeshadow palette, and this one I actually already owned before this order, so I'm just going to use this like lighter brown shade in my crease and kind of flick it outwards to make like that nice upwards look. Going to use this Ofra highlighter. I didn't actually order a new highlighter from R.E.M Beauty, so I'm just going to use this Ofra one, and it's just this really pretty light champagne shade, and I'm going to put it on my beauty blender. I'm actually going to use this highlighter from R.E.M Beauty for my blush because when I ordered it, it was a little bit dark for me. This one's in the shade Miss Saturn, and it's kind of like a pinky champagne-y color, but it's too dark for me to use as a highlight, so I'm going to use it as a blush. And I'm going to take my blush brush and just apply that to my cheeks. I got R.E.M eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this really light shade in the far corner, and I'm going to apply that to my lids, and I'm just going to use a flat brush. Also going to take this Too Faced Cat Eyes palette, and I'm going to take this really light sparkly color and apply that to my inner corner. Okay, as far as the face goes, we're just going to do eyeliner and then we'll do lips. For eyeliner, I'm going to actually use the R.E.M Beauty eyeliner, and this is in the shade Midnight Black. This is really old and it's really dried out, but I'm going to use what's left and just do a really simple eyeliner on the top eye and a really small just little flick of a wing at the end. That is the eyes done, and I'm gonna go back in with that calming face mist. I hope this can be used over makeup. Yeah, I mean, I think so, so let's see. Seems good to me. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of setting spray from Milani. Now for the fun part, I ordered 3 different lip products, and I haven't tried any of her lip products yet, so I'm really excited to give these a go. The only one I'm not going to be using is the lip stain. It's been busy, so I'm not going to use that one just because it doesn't go with the other colors that I'm going to use. So what I am going to use is the At the Borderline Lip Pencil in Harmonies, and we're going to line our lips with this guy. Plumping lip gloss in the shade VCR. Love this color, really pretty. I am going to top it all off with the Utmost Importance Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is the clear plumping lip gloss. I also forgot to mention the scent in the last lip gloss. Really good, slightly minty, but a warm scent. Very nice. I am absolutely loving the lip products, but this is the finished look. I really like it. It looks really pretty, and now that my makeup's done, the foundation doesn't look too dark for me at all, actually. At least in this lighting it doesn't, which is pretty bright lighting. I really like all these products. Everything looks very natural, very smooth. I especially love the lip products, and yeah, the foundation, it works great, it looks great. The concealer, even better. I love the concealer. Yeah, I have no complaints. Everything is as amazing as I expected it to be. I know makeup videos aren't really something I do a whole lot, so I figured since I did a pretty large R.E.M order that I would do this video for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!